From Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery, this is item number ER126, a folding knife, open pillar construction, rubberized handle scales with the pocket clip, dual thumb studs as your openers. The blade itself, stainless steel, 3.5 inches in blade length. You see it is a Linerlock locking mechanism, locks up securely, jimping on the liner. Easy to disengage, a very handy, useful little knife, and it also has an LED built into the handle scale. Very nice button activation, and it's just an on-off switch. You don't have to hold it down. Very useful. ER126 from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery.